Alright folks, welcome back to HaulinVols Adventures. We are actually going to do a little repair on the new tow rig. Picked up a 2004 Toyota Tundra, and as you notice, when I push the overdrive switch, nothing happens. There should be a little light that shows up down there that shows it's on. And I noticed back when I bought it, I knew this was an issue, and I also know that this is a fairly common problem with them. And so I'm going to let you guys follow through, and I'll show you what we do to fix it. Okay, so for the first step of this repair, you're going to want to turn the steering wheel to the right and then to the left, and you're going to take out the screws that are here and back there, and then there's also a screw right there underneath. So we'll get those taken out now. Got it? Alright, so for the next step, we're going to grasp firmly on the bottom portion of this panel, and we're going to pull down and pull it away. Go ahead and tilt your wheel down. We're going to do the same on the top. That's not going to come all the way off this because the stalk goes through this rubber boot. And I'm going to show you what's going on in here. So the part that fails is this wire right here. As you notice, I've already been in here and know what the issue is. So this wire is actually broken in half on this particular vehicle. The wire routes up through here and then down around the side and plugs in right there. I've already pulled the old end off. So now we're going to get to actually replacing this, and it's all one piece. So it's the shift lever and the wiring and the plug all come in one spot, or all in one piece. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a T30 and we're going to loosen this bolt right here. Be careful not to drop this little sucker, because who knows where it will end up. Next thing you're going to do is just grasp firmly on the handle, and it's going to pull out. And we're going to pull it out through the boot, and that's your old part. And we will be replacing it with a brand new shift lever and wiring. And this is an original Toyota part, and I will put the part number in the description. So reinstalling this is basically just the reverse. So you're going to feed the new shift arm through the boot. We're going to slide that sucker home. Going to reinsert a little bolt. And then we're going to snug that sucker down. Okay. Next step is we have to route the wiring. Once you get the shift lever bolted back in, route the wiring, it goes in this little catch right here. So on the side, these two pieces just plug in. It sits like that. And from there, everything goes in reverse. Point. Turn the steering wheel so we can get all these bolts back in. So in the moment of truth, we're going to push the button, overdrive off, overdrive on, and we are fixed. Took very little time. You can do this repair in less than 10 minutes if you got your tools together. I'll put a list of the tools needed and the part in the description, and I hope this helped you. Thanks. Y'all have a good one.